This is question number 30. Question number 30 says, using the information that 19 times 24 is 456, write down the value of 19 times 240. Now, in these questions, you need to make always reference to the problem or the sum that they've given you at the top. I've got 19 times 24, 456. Okay, so bear that in mind. I know that when I have 19 times 24, the digits are going to be 456. Okay, so here they are, 456, right? But in this case here, I have 240, a factor of 10 more. So in my answer, I'm going to have an extra 0 there, a factor of 10 more. So that's my answer, right? 456 are the digits in the answer, and this time they're going to be 10 times more. If I look at part B, again, I have the digits 19 times 24, but I have 2.4. I'm going to start off by indicating that the digits in my answer are going to be 4, 5, and 6. My question has one decimal place in it, right? So it's 2.4, there's one decimal place, so my answer is going to have a decimal point or one decimal place. You count the decimal places from the right, so one along, the decimal point is going to be there. Okay, make sure you understand that. It's pretty straightforward, should be able to get it. Part C, same digits, 19 times 24, so my answer is going to have the same digits. Look at how many decimal places I've got in the question. So 1.9, that's one decimal place. 2.4, that's one decimal place, so that's two decimal places all together in the question. My answer is going to have two decimal places, and remember I said we count it from the right hand side, so 1, 2, the decimal point is going to be between the 4 and the 5. Okay, that should be pretty straightforward up to that point. If I look at the last question is slightly different. It's 456 divided by 1.9. So if I go back to the original question, I have 4, 5, 6 divided by, if I do 19, so look at this question here, 456 divided by 19, that's going to give me 24. So in my answer space, I know I'm going to have the digits 2 and 4. I just need to know what difference this 1.9 is going to make. Now 1.9, what you need to think about is, if I divide 456 by 19, I get 24. If I divide by 1.9, an even smaller number, what's my answer going to be? Is it going to be bigger or smaller? It's going to be bigger if I divide by something small. So more 1.9s would go into 456 than 19, right? It's going to be a factor of 10 more because I have one decimal place in here. So my answer is going to have a factor of 10 more, 10 times more. I'll add a 0 on there. So it's going to be 240. This is a straightforward question. Very, very common. Do a couple of these. Make sure you're familiar with them. And make sure you can get full marks if you get something similar to this.